Hi and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to tell you updates about this little CRT I found in Bush. So well, in a day later, on day 7, I give it a nice clean.
Prostě, pozri sa. Ja ťa držím. Opatrne, Kevin. Careful. Počkaj, aj dole ešte, dole sú ešte šváby.
Gratulujem.
So I discharged the tube, give it a more clean, and let it dry for a couple of days.
Kradnete.
Našli sme to. Áno, našli sme to. Áno.
So I put the TV back together, and when I plug it in, well, so there was like red light lighting on it, but I could. So I asked my neighbor for a remote for Phllips CRT TV. Maybe it would work with it, but it didn't. But a couple of days later, I remembered I have one of those universal remote things, so yeah, I tried with it, and the light was flashing, but no tube was turning on. Listen guys, I swear I will once try it out. The thing is, I don't have enough time right now. It's very cold outside, you know, it's like winter now, and you know, there's nothing really. And I don't think it works now, but right now we can put the TV as that. Now, before you ask me, why is the video so freaking short or terrible? Well, this was most likely a test of my little bit newer format. Sorry about the music, I actually don't know way what to use, and I want to use those ones that I can use other than, you know, some that will get me a strike. Article 13, you know, maybe that'll help me bypass it or something. Well, definitely not. But yeah, there was a little bit of test, okay? Okay, epic.